Hey everybody, it's Neil, and if you've seen some of my medieval garb and stuff that I have, this here is another component that I have to add to it. So I have shoulders, I got the leg things, I got all these different pieces and parts, but this one here is gonna work my way up to my top of my head, and it's gonna be like a headband piece. So I'll show you guys what it is here. It's made by HiiFeuer, and oh, it's nice, it's soft. Okay, so inside of it, it's got like a felt inside to make it soft, and then it's got the strings around it there, and I'll back up a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing here, and it is a totally red headband. So now when I go to the Renaissance Festival or any of the fairs or wear my costume, I can be more complete now with this. So how cool is that? So really nice looking stuff. Their stuff just looks so realistic and so good. I really feel like I'm in the medieval times. It really, by wearing the HiiFeuer stuff, it really makes you feel like you're in the medieval spirit. So really cool stuff. I really like it. It's just high quality. Doesn't feel like they're skimping on anything. It's really nice. They got used nice metal rivets and everything. And I think it's usually all vegan leather stuff, so it's not so bad for the animals either. So totally cool. I love it. Thumbs up.